how I get myself motivated, or just how I am motivating myself. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's topic, I decided to talk to you guys about how I get myself motivated, or just how I am motivating myself. For a little beginning intro, I want to tell that I, like a normal person, of course, I had some times when I wasn't motivated enough, when I didn't have enough strength or power just to even get out of the bed. And that's a little bit, let's say, similar to those story when I was telling about how to be confident and how I overcome that problem in my life. And I think that everyone had days with those problems, but even if you didn't, you maybe you are not that motivated in school, at your work, life, or something like that. It doesn't matter. You don't have to have big problem with motivation. You just need to find a way how to fix it when you have one. Doesn't matter where. So I wanted to share some of the tricks that I use to be more motivated and how to feel better about myself. So the first of them actually is set a goal in your life. You need a goal, right? Everyone needs something. Maybe you want to go to the Bali or to Bahamas, or you just want to go to the running every morning. You want to start at the gym. Just set the goal. First of the thing, you need to know what you want in your life. So I think that's actually one of the best things, because when you have a goal, you will know how to react to every problem that comes to you on your way, right? For example, at the moment, my goal at the beginning of this channel was to have an English channel. So I was like thinking, I have a goal, and I want to have English channel. And yeah, one day I woke up at 4 in the morning and I was like, yes, I want that. And that day I started filming videos for that English channel. I was preparing that. So set a goal and everything else will be easier, believe me. The other thing is, for those who need something like that, is to make a list of reasons why you want that goal to be accomplished. If you want something but not really sure about it, make a list. Everything is easier on paper. It's just like when you start writing something, it's easier. Just write it. Tell to yourself, I want maybe to become famous because I want more money, I want more attention, I want more friends, I want to travel, I will have more inspiration. And there you go. You have 5 reasons. Believe me, it's not that easy. Just give some reasons to yourself, and going to that goal you have, it will be easier. Also, when you are done with that, set yourself a strategy. Maybe, for example, I wanted to start an English YouTube channel, and I was like, I want to start that, but I don't have any videos. Okay, then I will film some videos. First of all, I will see what kind of videos do I want to film. And I decided to talk about makeup more, right? So I was like, okay, I will have more makeup videos, but let's film that. For today's, I have inspiration, right? So let's use it, and I will film 2 makeup tutorials. Why not, right? I'm not a professional makeup artist, but no one told me that I can't film those videos. I can, and I will. So I had a strategy, and that's why I did it. At the moment, somehow sometimes I felt like, yeah, I'm not really good about it, but hey, wait, everyone has their beginnings. Everyone need to start somewhere, right? So just like I do, and I started at filming, then I edited, then I posted, and my journey began. So I didn't regret it, and believe me, you are not going to regret for anything that you want and for everything that your goal is. Also, the one of the most important things is to get help. Get help. If you don't know something, just ask people. Ask someone. Can they help you? I don't know, to clean the house or just travel with you or go to the coffee with you, or can they help you to write something, to paint something? Doesn't matter what your goal is. Just it's okay to ask someone for help, because also you can make new friends, you will make new memories, and just having someone around you while doing all of that, and while doing that amazing journey that you had for your goal, I think it's one of the coolest things, right? So that's why you need to ask for help, and don't feel stupid about it. It's normal. Everyone asks for help, so can you. Just be sure that you want something for sure. Like I want to complete that in my life, and you're sure about it. So go and ask for it. Also, on that way, you will probably had some issues, some problems, some questions for yourself. Maybe you're not good enough, maybe you're not sure about it, but then we will go to the number 2 of the list, when you made a reasons why you want something. And if you forgot about those reasons, just check your list and you will see why you started that whole journey and why you can't give up. And that will get you to being motivated again. Doesn't matter how much time goes, just when you started something, tell yourself that you need to finish what you started. Check those reasons. Do it all over again if you need it. Just get that thing done. And last thing, actually, that also helped me maybe the most, is to see the bigger picture. You can see your goal, you saw your journey, and you had a lot of problems maybe on your journey, but you overcome them. And but still, you don't feel that. You don't have that feeling that that's it. See the bigger picture. See what is that goal when you finish it. When you come to that point, what is going to bring you? Are you going to be satisfied? Are you going to please yourself? Are you going to make that thing make you proud of you? That's enough. That's the bigger picture. And you need to have that in your life. So that's actually one of the things from the list that helped me the most. So, for example, everything that I did, the bigger picture, for me was to feel useful, to have some purpose, just to do something in my life, not to sit and do nothing for the 24 hours per 7. And that actually helped me. So that's why I started filming. And I have some things to do. I need to film, I need to edit videos, I have some meetings. Everything changed. So that's actually how I stay motivated. And also, you will probably, and 99%, you will have some issues and problems during your journey. But don't let yourself to be afraid of that. Just be sure that doesn't matter what kind of problems you will have, you will overcome them, because that's nothing when you compare that to your goal that you had at the beginning. So, and in the end, everything will be okay. And one of the most important things is to be proud on yourself, just like I am proud of myself at the moment. So yeah, that's actually it, and that's how I got myself motivated. That's how I started my journey. That's only example, right? Something about the filming. I also had a lot of things in my life that I got through like that. So I hope that this little motivational or something like that speech will help you to get to work, to set your goal, and just to follow your dreams. Um, that's it for today's video, you guys. I don't want to talk more. Um, I hope you guys like it. I hope you find this video useful, and I will see you in the next one.